Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at an older deck. This is the Mythic Oracle, Wisdom of the Ancient Greek Pantheon by Caris Mellado, with artwork by Michele-Lee Phelan. Hopefully I am saying that correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by Beyond Words Publishing, and it retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. I am so excited about this because we just reviewed the Mythos Tarot, so this hopefully can go alongside it and work really well with it. So this includes 45 cards and a 160-page guidebook. Become the hero, discover your destiny, and channel the power of the gods. Meet primal forces, titans, gods, magical beings, and legendary heroes. Discover the power and passion of deities like Zeus, King of the Olympians. Learn from the triumphs and trials of heroes like Achilles, who won glory in battle, and discover the courage and compassion of beings like Psyche, whose gentle beauty inspired the god of love himself. Let the timeless lessons of the Mythic Oracle guide you through the cycles of life, from matters of love, friends, and family, to spirituality, creativity, and personal awareness. Use the messages of this oracle to move through life's challenges with clarity and confidence. Expand your intuition and inner strength, and find the answers you seek. Author Caris Mellado and artist Michele-Lee Phelan present 45 divinely inspired cards and an in-depth guidebook that explains the messages of these mighty beings, as well as offering step-by-step instructions to give accurate and powerful readings for you and your friends. Face the future, find your courage, and let the Mythic Oracle guide you on your own epic journey. All right, I am excited. This is quite the big box here. Okay, there's the book and how it looks on the inside. Nice big cards. All right, let's take a look at the guidebook first to see if there's anything important we need to know. We do have a table of contents. We have card spreads, card meanings. It looks like they're separated in suits as well. So we got Protogenia, Titans, Olympians, magical beings, and heroes. And then we do have a glossary too. Awesome. Protogenoi, I guess that's how you pronounce it. I do apologize. These are the basic essential energies that were born out of creation. They are the original raw personifications of nature, such as earth, sky, day, and night. Titans are a race of primordial deities born of Gaia and Uranus. The first generation of Titans, led by Cronus, overthrew the rule of Uranus. Okay. And then Olympians were the children of Kronos and Rhea. And then magical beings predate the gods and goddesses, humans and heroes. And then heroes, obviously, are the heroes of the stories that we see. Then we have card spreads, daily nature, relationship, and archetype, as well as cycle and hero. And then it goes into the meanings. Awesome. We'll take a look at that after we flip through the cards. I'm quite excited about this. I don't have any expectations other than just what it's about. So there's the back. Very high gloss. Let's talk cardstock here. It's on the thinner side. I'm not mad at it yet. That glossy coating will help protect the cards and keep it sturdy, but it doesn't really snap back as fast as some other cards. So keep that in mind. And let's begin. We do have borders, a number up top, the name, and then we have a description down below. So we have Uranus, the father, dynamic artwork, Gaia, the mother, Pontus, the unknown. That's pretty cool. Hemera, rebirth. Cronus, cycles. Rhea, protection. Prometheus Sacrifice. I don't know if I can pronounce that correctly, but Mnemosyne Inspiration. That's pretty. Atlas Responsibility. Themis Natural Order. Got some nice day and night going on there. Selene Intuition. That's really pretty. I think this was published in 2012. Helios Illumination. It's been on my list for quite some time, so I'm happy I finally was able to get it. Eos New Beginnings. Zeus Divine Expansion. Demeter Harvest. Love that. Spring and Winter, or Summer and Winter. Hera Duty. The art style is fun. Don't really have any complaints about the art style. I never really do, because it's just always different. Every deck is unique and different. Hades the Underworld. Poseidon Earth Shaker. Artemis Purity. Apollo Clarity. Pan Nature. Love the horns. Hephaestus Work. Hephaestus. Ares Battle. Hestia Home. She's the cover artwork. Athena Wisdom. Hermes Messages. This helmet, I love it. Aphrodite Love. I'm currently rewatching Xena the Warrior Princess for the first time since the 90s. It's so camp. I love it so much. Check it out if you haven't seen it before, because a lot of these gods play into it, as well as Hercules. Those shows were my everything back in the 90s when I was a child. Like, I loved them. Eros Desire. That's probably why I have a deep love for the Greek pantheon. Persephone Awakening. Dionysus Freedom. Hebe or Hebe Play. Iris Harmony. Chiron Healing. Pandora Hope. Oh, I love that. That's hope. The Morai Destiny. Love that too. And then we have Hecate or Hecate, the Crossroads. Beautiful. I can never say this correctly because I always want to say Thanos. That Thanatos, Death. Oh, look at it in the background too. Achilles, Glory. Orpheus, faith. I'm so excited to get into the guidebook. Odysseus, the journey. Hercules, strength. Fantastic. Perseus, courage. Helen of Troy, beauty. Psyche, sacred union. And Bellerophon, humility. All right, let's see how it shuffles. That's a great cross section. I'm not mad at that. Yeah, they are very flexible. I think for me personally, I will shuffle them side by side like this. I think that'll be a better fit for my hands. Yeah, that works a lot better. Nice. Okay, how does it shuffle this way? Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? And we have Rhea, protection. Okay, the myth. Rhea is the daughter of Gaia and Uranus. She is the wife of Kronos and the mother of Zeus, Hera, Demeter, Poseidon, Hades, and Hestia. The fertile earth is her realm. Rhea is also a goddess of mysticism, celebrated through music, dance, and trance. She is the wisdom and mystery of the earth. In art, Rhea is often depicted on a chariot led by two lions. The swan and the moon are also symbols of Rhea. Kronos, fearful of being overthrown by one of his children, ate each child as he or she was born. When Rhea birthed Zeus, she fed Kronos' stone instead of her beloved child and hid Zeus in a cave, where he was raised safely in secret. Once he reached manhood, he overthrew his father. The message. Rhea represents the protective aspect of the mother. Unable to continue to feed her young to Kronos, she made a dangerous stand against him. She represents the part of ourselves that cannot bear to deny our natural instincts and propels us to do what we know is right for ourselves and the things and people we love. We take a stand against external societal rules and follow our inner ethics instead. This is protection in its highest form. It is love and protection of what is truly sacred in ourselves and in our lives. This is a time for trusting your instinct and intuition. You may feel torn between your duty to the world and your duty to yourself, but your duty to yourself must always come first. It is your highest priority to protect the sacred life that has been entrusted to you. Bending to the will of peers, media ideals, and other external influences will only leave you drained and powerless. Your own intuition must be the ultimate ruler in your life. You must be the protector of your body, mind, heart, and spirit. Only when you have done this can you have true power and influence in the world. Only at this point can you protect and nurture the things outside of you, your friends, family, schoolwork, or art. This is a time for creating clear and healthy boundaries and honoring your integrity. Trust yourself and create your life from a place of true honesty and self-love. For if every action you take is rooted in your personal truth, then all that you grow will be golden. Okay, I'm all for this. I think this is awesome. I love that it gives you the myth behind the Titan, God, etc., because then that helps you learn about the Pantheon, and then it gives an extra layer to the message. So then when you are continually using this deck, that plays upon with your intuitive hits as well. So fantastic. I also want to say that if you work with the Greek Pantheon as your deity, or you utilize them in spell work, then this would be fantastic to use for altars or for blessings, or having this in other areas of your workings as well. So for instance, as Hestia has popped out, I would put this card if I'm doing kitchen witchery, or if I'm doing celebrations or anything specific in the home, because that's what she rules over. So if I work with Hestia, I would take this card out and maybe do a blessing or keep her in a center of the focus as gratitude or et cetera, for that celebration or whatnot. So, same thing goes for Pan or whatever area you are working on in your life. If you need strength with some challenges you're working on, etc., I think that would be fantastic too. So there's multiple ways that you can use this deck, and learning the Pantheon is one of them. So I think this is great for the price tag. I'm not mad at it. I think there's quality in here. So now I want to know if this is something you own, if this is something that you've seen in the past. I know that it's been around for quite some time, like I said earlier, so I'd be interested to know if you own it and what your thoughts are about it. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.